talk about why I have loved CC. My family has been in CC for 7 years. Hey, I'm 7. I've been in CC my entire life. It's hard to pick out what I like because it's just been what we've always done. It's been wonderful. I've got to make friends. I learned a lot of things. I love history songs the most. When I was 3, I sang George Washington history statement in front of the entire foundation, challenge classes, and families. It was about 100 people. The science experiments are my second favorite. I really liked it. Well, I'm sad I won't be coming back to CC. I'm excited for the new adventures my family will get to have. Thank you, Miss Stacy, for being my tutor the last 2 years. I really liked learning so much sign language. It's been really fun. I have one last question for my audience. Who wants to tell me about the Mexican Revolution?
Ready? All together.